Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk with Hands where we learn ASL together. So in today's video is part 2 of feelings and emotions. Yes, I couldn't put all the words in part 1, so I thought, you know what, let me just split it. So if you've not watched part 1, please do well after this video to go watch some more feelings and emotional words, okay? Alright, are you ready? Alright, embarrassed. Embarrassed. So for embarrassed, you have your two hands open like this and you do an upward motion on your face like this. Embarrassed. You know when you're embarrassed, you feel a rush of blood coming up your face and your face gets red, right? Embarrassed. Bored. Bored. Have your index finger close to the side of your nose and you do a twist like this. Bored. Bored. When kids are bored, what do? They have their finger inside the nose and they try to pick it. So I hope you think about that when you're trying to remember the sign for bored, right? Bored. Shy. Shy. So for shy, you have your hand bend like this, curve like this, put it on the side of your cheek here like this, and you do like a twist like this. So it's like you're bending it forward like this. Like this. Shy. 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 Hurt. Hurt. Have your two index fingers facing each other like this and you do a twist like this. Hurt. Hurt. And this can be applied to everywhere. So if you have a headache, that means your head hurt, you put it on your head, hurt, right? If your chest hurt, hurt. If your tummy hurt, hurt, right? So this is a sign for hurt. Hurt. Tired. Tired. Have your two hands curved like this, right? Put it on your chest and you bend it down like this. Tired. Tired. Make sure you have your body drop as well, like this. Tired. You can as well put it here. You see some people have it up here and they do this. Tired. Tired. Or some people have it here and they do this. Tired. I'm tired. Relieved. Relief. Have your two hands flat like this. Put one on top of the other and you put it close to your chest and you kind of bring it down, right? From the top, you bring it down. It's like, whew, I'm relieved, right? Relieved. Sick. Sick. Have your two hands, the middle finger, the dominant hand on your forehead, the non-dominant hand on your chest or your tummy around here. You can have it up here or you can have it down here. Like this, sick. And you tap like twice or once like this. Sick or sick. Sick. Hopeful. Hopeful. Have your two hands flat like this. Put it on the side of your face, like, you know, a little bit up here. And you do this, right? Up, down, up, down. And you do both of them simultaneously. So up, down, hope. Good. Good. Have your dominant hand flat like this. From your chin, bring it down, touching your non-dominant hand like this. Good. You can as well do good without this hand. Like this. Good. Good. Meanwhile, for bad, you take it from your chin, but as you're bringing it down, you're flipping the hand, having the back of your hand facing upward. Bad. Bad. You can as well have your non-dominant hand like this. You do this. Bad. Pissed off. Pissed off. So for pissed off, you do P. This is P, right? Having the hand in the P sign, basically, right? You take the middle finger touching your nose like this. One time, touch, and you do off. For off is O-F, right? O-F. So off. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. Alright, you got that? P on the nose and O-F. Pissed off. Guilty. Guilty. Have your hand in the G sign like this, right? G. And you tap it on the left side of your chest like this. Guilty. If you're lefty, you do the same thing, but on the right side. Guilty. Heartbroken. Heartbroken. So for heartbroken or broken-hearted, you have your two hands like you're squeezing and you're twisting it like this. You have it open, you twist it like this, right? And you closing your hand, forming a fist like this. Heartbroken. And you put it on the left side, basically like this is where your heart is, like here. Heartbroken. Heartbroken. love or loving. You have your two hands closed like this, forming the face, and you bring it to your chest, crossing them like this. Love, loving, calm, calm. Have your two hands flat open like this. Bring it, like having them closed like this, and you bring it down. And as you're bringing it down, you're slightly opening your hand like this. Calm. Some people sign calm like this. Calm, calm. Basically just having your hand open like this from top to bottom. Calm, calm down. For calm down, you do it twice like this. Calm down. For calm, calm. Nice, nice. Have your two hands flat like this. Keep your non-dominant hand and you take your dominant hand and you do a swift from the left side to the right side, which is to the fingers, right? Like this. Nice, nice. Kind, kind, or kind. Have your dominant hand, the middle finger bent like this, and you do a circular motion on your left side like this. Kind. Another sign is kind, kind. So you have your two hands flat like this, and you do a circular motion around each other like this. Kind, kind. Some people do kind or kindness even here. They do this kind. Peace, peace. Have your two hands flat like this. You join them together like this, right? The dominant hand is on top of your non-dominant hand like this. This one is facing this way, this one is facing this way. Then what you do is you swift it like this, right? Like you're doing a twist with your dominant hand like this, and you open up and you separate the hands. Do you see that? I'm doing this slowly because this is a beginner friendly lesson, right? I don't just want to do it fast because it can get confused. So I want you to see how the movement goes. So you have it like this, right? And you twist it as though you're trying to turn it to the other side, right? So do this, like this. Let's practice, okay? Let's do this. Like this, yes. Like you're trying to turn it to the other side. So when you do this, before you're finishing to turn to the other side, you open your hand and you spread it down. Peace. It's almost like the calm sign, but for peace, you do more movement like this and you open. Peace. Like this, and you open your hand. Like this, open your hand. Peaceful. Lonely. Lonely. Have your index finger, put it in front of your face from top like this, bring it down, and you do it twice. Like this. Lonely. Lonely, lonely, fed up, fed up. Have your hand like in the B sign, but it doesn't necessarily have to be in the B sign, but basically having your hand, joined together like this, your fingers joined together like this, and you bring it from down quickly to under your chin, right? Like this. Fed up. I had it up to here. I'm fed up. You get that? Fed up. Comment down below, I got it, so I know all those who watched to this point. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the Talk with Hands community, where we are here to learn how to sign together. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next video.